In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Sellfy account and data. Before we start, a quick heads up. Closing your Sellfy account is permanent. Once it's done, you won't be able to recover your products, customer data, or any other information tied to the account. So if there's anything you might need later, like product files, order history, or tax invoices, download and back those up now. When you're ready, log into your Sellfy account. From your dashboard, look for the Account section. Open it, then go to Account Settings. This is where all the key options for your profile and store live, including the one to close your account. On the Account Settings page, scroll until you find the option labeled Close Account or Delete Closed Account. It's usually clearly marked to help prevent accidental clicks. Go ahead and select it. You'll see a confirmation prompt letting you know what this action means. Take a moment to read it carefully so you understand the consequences. When prompted to confirm, add a short message stating that you want to permanently delete your account and data. This makes your intention explicit and aligns with Sellfy's process for irreversible deletions. After entering your message, confirm the action. At this point, the account closure will begin, and there's no undo button, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. Here's what happens next. Any paid subscription linked to your account will be canceled before the next billing cycle, so you won't be charged again. Sellfy will permanently delete your uploaded product files once the account is closed, which is why backing them up beforehand is essential. According to their terms, when you explicitly terminate your account, your data is deleted immediately and cannot be restored. That includes products, store settings, and associated account information. A few practical tips to wrap up. If you offer digital products, save your files in a secure place and consider keeping a simple folder structure so you can find them later. If you need records for accounting, download receipts, payouts, and order reports before closing. If you think you might return to Sellfy, consider pausing a subscription or removing products instead of closing. But only if you're certain you won't need the data, proceed with deletion. That's all there is to it. Log in. Head to Account Settings, choose Close Account. Clearly state that you want to permanently delete your account and data, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to do your backups before you click that final button.